Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 14. The instruction here says complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E. And we are using this instruction to answer question 11 to 20. And the sentence here says my grandmother knitted a sweater with colorful dash. My grandmother knitted a sweater with colorful dash. Option A, fiber. Option B, leather. Option C, nylon. Option D, thread. Option E, yarn. When we talk of fiber is a single piece of a given material, that is fiber, take from cotton. Then leather has to do with a tough material. Leather is a tough material produced from animals. That is where we get leather. Then nylon is self-explained. It is used for carrying goods or whatever. Then we'll talk of thread is a long and flexible form of material. Then we'll talk of yarn is a thread that has been spun and then used for knitting. So by this explanation we find out that the only option that has this element of knit is option E. So my grandmother knitted a sweater with colorful yarn. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.